We're going to take a naturally waved hair and create a straight look. The first step in straightening hair is to thoroughly go through the hair with a detangling spray. This next section is achieved by using the Creative Pro Triangle brush. It's designed to smooth and straighten the hair. Using a boar bristle brush to straighten out the hair while blow drying. At this point, to add shine and smoothness to the hair. Before flat ironing, I like to use the Pro Shine thermal spray as a heat protectant. To finish off the hair, we're going to use the Creative Ceramic Flattening Iron. This flat iron heats up fast at the astonishing rate of 450 degrees. Signature Classic Brush is a great finishing product. Because the bristles are so tight, it keeps the hair really smooth and together, no separation.